Here I have Geotel Pace 2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open the screen that you want to capture. Let's suppose you want to take a screenshot of your settings list. And next you have to push power button and volume down at the same time to take a screenshot, like this. Let me show you one more time. Power button and volume down. So if you want to share, edit or delete your screenshot, you can find it in the gallery, in the screenshot album. Here it is. And here is your screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.